Want to see matches with your preferred age range? Here's how to set your age preference on Tinder. First, open the Tinder app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now, at the top right corner, you can find settings icon. Tap on it, scroll down a little and you can find age range section here. You will see a slider with a minimum and maximum age limit. Adjust the slider to select your preferred age range. Tinder will now only show you matches within this range. If you want to fine-tune your matches further, also check your distance settings in the same section. If the settings don't update, try restarting the Tinder app or logging out and back in. What's your ideal age range for matches? Let's hear in the comments. And that's it, your Tinder age preferences is now set. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.